सारे हॉस्पिटल में गया,
किसी ने नहीं
कुछ
लिया।
किसी ने भर्ती नहीं, सब लोगों ने कहा ऑक्सीजन खत्म हो गया। फिर यहाँ पर जो राजीव गांधी में आया, वहाँ पर गेट पर से ही भगा दिया, कहीं कि नहीं देंगे।
बेड पे बिछल रहे थे, मेरे से देखा नहीं जाता, मेरे से कहते बचा ले मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाया मैम, देखते रह गए।
India was fighting a lonely battle till about a week ago, trying to mitigate this massive crisis before it, where it was running short of bed in hospitals for critical patients, as well as shortages of oxygen being reported by several hospitals that in fact took the legal recourse by taking the government to court, asking for its share of oxygen so as to be able to save lives. And it is after these harrowing pictures that went viral across the world that the global community has decided now to pitch in with resources that are critical to save lives in India. So let's start with the richest country, America. America has dispatched 318 oxygen concentrators to India already. Apart from oxygen concentrators and generators, they are also looking at sending across ventilators to India. Meanwhile, as far as therapeutics are concerned, America is also going to be sending a supply of remdesivir, apart from PPE kits and other equipment that is required for healthcare workers to be able to take care of their patients. Moreover, India had also been asking America to in fact relax the export norms that which were under stress because of the Defense Production Act that was enforced by the US President, which had made it mandatory for American companies to prioritize US in their bid to make more vaccines to be able to inoculate their population. Now America says in a clarification that it had never banned the export of these raw materials which were in short supply for Serum Institute, which is making the COVID-19 vaccine Covishield. Meanwhile, it has said now that millipore filters, which have been identified as one of the raw materials critically required for the production of Covishield, that is going to be supplied to India immediately. In fact, they said that it is the supplies for America that they are now diverting to India. Apart from that, America has also said that they have 10 million surplus doses of AstraZeneca's vaccine, which is not authorized for usage in America, and therefore as soon as the FDA gives the clearance, they will be ready to share it with other countries including India. And in the weeks to come, they'll have about 60 million doses of AstraZeneca which will be surplus for them, and they will be sharing it with other countries including India as well over here. Let's now come to the United Kingdom. The UK has also promised life-saving equipment at the moment for India. This includes oxygen concentrators, apart from that ventilators as well. 495 oxygen concentrators is what the UK has promised to India. The first dispatch has already been made. Let's stay with Europe now and talk about France. France is going to be sending 8 oxygen concentrators and 200 electric vaccine pumps. Apart from that, 28 ventilators as well. India is going to be importing 23 mobile oxygen generators from Germany. These generators are capable of making 40 liters of oxygen per minute. These are specialized mobile oxygen generator plants, and therefore Germany will also be sending personnel who will be setting this up here in India. These are going to be used by the army hospitals. As far as the European Union countries are concerned, Ireland will be sending across a large number of oxygen generators. About 700 oxygen generators is what Ireland is looking at sending to India. Apart from that, Belgium will be sending across 9,000 doses of remdesivir. Romania is going to be sending 80 oxygen concentrators to India. Luxembourg will be sending 58 ventilators. Portugal will be sending 5,503 vials of remdesivir and 20,000 liters of oxygen per week. Sweden has committed 120 ventilators. Australia, on the other hand, has said that it will send across 500 non-invasive ventilators with a capacity to deploy up to total of 3,000 ventilators. Let's now do a quick check of the procurements that have been made by India of urgent supplies that are required to mitigate the crisis till the 27th of April, starting with Singapore, which has sent about 215 oxygen concentrators, Saudi Arabia 80 MT of liquid oxygen, Hong Kong 800 oxygen concentrators, Thailand 4 cryogenic oxygen tanks, UAE 6 cryogenic oxygen containers. Meanwhile, other countries like Iran, Pakistan, Bhutan have all expressed solidarity with India. Iran has said that it is only through cooperation, coordination, and a global effort that the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic can be